Welcome to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're looking at how do we draw a door for a mansion in Autocad. So for those of you who like to read storybooks, perhaps this could be the getaway door for the Cinderella that is leaving the castle, okay? And we'll be using our Autocad skills to make the scene for the house castle story that is set up on a hill. All right. So thanks for joining us. And in the previous video, we looked at how do we draw the end view of a object that was represented either in first angle or third angle. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. So we'll be starting the video now. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be drawing figure 1 that is shown on the left of the screen. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw my baseline going at the base, and I'm going to set off the measurement to the right. Then I'm going to set the measurement to the left. All right, so that is my base. All right, the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw the center line going up to the required height. All right, so that is that. Now, the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw from the base, this height, vertical height going up. Okay? Then, the next thing I'm going to do is from the top of the line, I'm going to draw an arc that is equal to the radius. But before I do that, I'm going to draw a line from the end of this point going to the left, enter, and right, which should be a construction line of any length that is long enough so that when you draw the arc, it can intersect it, okay? In a little while, you'll see what I'm saying. So I was given this radius, right? Here's the center down here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it from this point. Mark this. So this given radius for this arc, what I'm going to do is draw an arc from the end of his line on the center line to get the center, and then I draw the arc. All right, let me show what I mean. So I'm going to go start. I'm going to go center, start, end, okay? So what I need to turn off is my snap so I can align my cursor to the end of the line, which I drew previously, right? All right, so that's the center. The radius that I need is the information I'm going to put in as a radius. All right, so watch now. I want to mark it here. Or hold on. So let me undo. I want to go again. Center, start, end. So the center is, let me turn off the snap. The center is there. My radius, I'm going to enter my radius. And I'm going to mark it. All right, so there's my radius. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mark the radius from this. This is the center. So I'm going to mark the radius now. So this is the center, start, end. So radius there. This point, I'm going to draw it now. See? There, to intersect there. Right? And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to come again. Center, start, end. So this is the center. And this is the start. And this is the end coming around this side. So let me do it again. So it's arc center, center, start. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to determine this length and then draw a line over there. Okay, so I'm going to measure it. That's what, 32. All right, so I'm gonna draw a line 32 from here. So line, draw an ortho 32, enter. Right, so there now, I'm going to mark an arc. So coming down, this is the center, start, and there's the end, enter. The next step is to draw a line from here to this point. So we're going to go use our line command. I'm going to draw a line from there to there, enter. I'm going to repeat the process, a line from there to there, enter. And this is how you would draw the given figure that is shown on the left of the screen. And then we could label figure 1 if you wanted to. So we go use the text command, specify the starting position there, about 6. Right, so we put lock caps on, and this is figure 1. This brings us to the end of our castle story. Door that to be used in a fairy tale story in a castle. We drew the door using our Autocad software, and in the next video we'll be looking at blending of lines and curves using the Autocad software. We thank you for joining us, and please do take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.